When was the Constitution of India adopted? Right answer option C, 26 November 1949. When did the Constitution of India come into effect? Right answer option C, 26 January 1950. How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? Right answer option B, 12. How many articles were originally present in the Constitution? Right answer option A, 395. How many fundamental rights are guaranteed by the Constitution? Right answer option B, 6. What is the right to constitutional remedies? Right answer option B, right to seek justice for fundamental rights violations. Which amendment added fundamental duties to the Constitution? Right answer option A, 42nd Amendment. Which fundamental right was removed by the 44th Amendment Act? Right answer option A, right to property. How many fundamental duties are there in the Constitution? Right answer option B, 11. How many houses are there in the Indian Parliament? Right answer option B, 2. Who is the presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha? Right answer option B, Vice President of India. What is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha? Right answer option B, 552. Who presides over the joint sitting of Parliament? Right answer option B, Speaker of Lok Sabha. What is a money bill? Right answer option A money bill related to taxation and finance. What is the significance of the preamble to the Indian Constitution? Right answer option A, it provides the fundamental philosophy of the Constitution. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? Right answer option A, President of India. What is the retirement age of Supreme Court judges? Right answer option C, 65. How many high courts are there in India? Right answer option C, 25. Who is the head of the state executive? Right answer option B, Governor. How is the Prime Minister of India appointed? Right answer option A, by the President of India. What is the 73rd Amendment Act related to? Right answer option A, Panchayati Raj. What is the tenure of a governor? Right answer option B, 5 years. How is the President of India elected? Right answer option B, indirect election by an electoral college. What is the anti-defection law related to? Right answer option A, disqualification of MPs and MLAs. Which body conducts elections in India? Right answer option B, Election Commission of India. How many types of emergencies are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Right answer option C, 3. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the President's rule in a state? Right answer option B, Article 356. What is the tenure of the President of India? Right answer option B, 5 years. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Right answer, option B, Chief Justice of India. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides special status to Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer, option B. Who is known as the guardian of the Constitution? Right answer, option C, Supreme Court. What is the minimum age to become a judge of the Supreme Court? Right answer, option C, no specific age limit. The power of judicial review in India is held by. Right answer, option B, Supreme Court and High Courts. What is the tenure of a High Court judge? Right answer, option B, 62 years. Under which article can the President seek the option of the Supreme Court? Right answer, option B, Article 143. What is the minimum age to contest for the Lok Sabha elections? Right answer, option C, 25 years. How many members are nominated by the President of Rajya Sabha? Right answer, option B, 12. The Election Commission of India is a. Right answer, option B, constitutional body. What is the minimum age to become the Prime Minister of India? Right answer, option C, 35 years. Which of the following bodies is responsible for the delimitation of constituencies in India? Right answer, option B, Delimitation Commission. Which amendment lowered the voting age from 21 to 18 years? Right answer, option B, 61st Amendment. Which amendment is known as the Mini Constitution? Right answer, option A, 42nd Amendment. What is the primary function of the Finance Commission? Right answer, option B, distribution of financial resources between the central and states. Which article of the Constitution provides for the protection of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes? Right answer, option D, Article 17. Which of the following bodies is responsible for the preparation of the Union Budget? Right answer, option A, Finance Ministry. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Right answer, option B, Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Who was the first president of independent India? Right answer, option A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The concept of directive principles of state policy was borrowed from which country? Right answer, option C, Ireland. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with the anti-defection law? Right answer, option C, 10th schedule. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability? Right answer, option C, Article 17.